Hey guys, welcome back to another review on my channel. This week's video we are going to be taking a look at some products from a company called HiSmile. Now I'm at least 95% sure that you have heard of this company before, mainly because they are so well branded, but also because they have a lot of celebrity endorsement under their belts. People like Kylie and Kendall Jenner, a couple of the other Kardashians, the singer Pia Mia, and also the MMA fighter Colin McGregor, along with a load of other celebrities have been snapped on Insta using these products, which always makes me super curious as to whether or not they work. As somebody that used to actively whiten their teeth quite regularly, I am always looking around on the market to see what new methods are available. I haven't actually whitened my teeth in an incredibly long time, mainly because my teeth have gained a lot of sensitivity and I'm not really sure why, and I didn't want to make it worse. But I mean, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and my teeth don't look bad at all, but once you get a little bit closer, you can definitely see a lot of discoloration in between my teeth. I've been drinking way too much coffee without a straw and not chewing nearly enough chewing gum in between, so that was kind of my bad and I need to do something about it. So when HiSmile actually reached out and said, hey girl, do you want to try some of our products? We think you'll really like them. I obviously jumped at the chance, but before I decided I was going to review any of their products, I actually did take a look at their ingredients list just to see what the formula for their gel was made up of, and honestly it looks like it's made out of really super safe and natural ingredients, which is a massive tick box for me at the minute because my teeth are so sensitive. Also, just a disclaimer, I'm going to throw it out there because I know some of you guys will be super curious. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I'm not affiliated with HiSmile, even though I wish that I was. Like, girl, I wish that I was, but I'm not getting paid to say any of the things that I'm saying. This is a 100% honest and genuine review. I know that that's super boring and annoying for some of you to hear, but I just have to say it because I know that some of you guys are going to be wondering. Anyways, moving on from all that, in this video I am going to be unboxing everything that HiSmile sent over to me. So this is the teeth whitening kit, which I'm sure you guys have seen many times on like Insta and Facebook, but I also have here as well the day and night toothpaste kit, which I'll be using both of these kits alongside each other just so that we can get the best results possible. I'm going to be using them for I think a week or so. I've also never used the tray method for whitening my teeth before, so I'm super curious to see how that goes. I'm kind of envisioning it to be like a Bambi walks for the first time moment where I'm not really sure what I'm doing and it could be kind of embarrassing and we could make some mistakes, so just bear with me and let's just see how it goes. So when you first open up the box, this is what you see. You've got the 3 syringes on the top and then you have the instruction manual that's laid gently on the bottom of the box. As you can see, the HiSmile logo is printed on every single one of the syringes, and there is also a little bit of a measurement guide on the back to show you how much to use. When you open up the instruction manuals, there is the 8 steps of how to use the teeth whitening products, but there is also kind of like 3 different tips on the bottom as well, just to kind of help you get through the whitening process. When you flip over the instruction manual, there is also a little pouch attached to the back. It has a note inside, and if you pull that one out, it basically says that if you share your before and after photos on Instagram with the hashtag, you could be in with a chance of getting a free teeth whitening pen, which is such a nice touch. And then if you flip that one over, there is also a shade chart so you can compare your day 1 to using the product to your day 6. So underneath the instruction manual is the actual mouth tray itself. As you can see, it kind of looks like a really soft silicone gum shield. You pop the gel formula into that, and then on the other side you also have the LED light which goes with that tray, which activates the teeth whitening formula. So in this clip you see me attaching the mouth tray to the LED light for the first ever time. I promise you it's a lot easier than it looks. Then once you've got the mouth tray onto the LED light successfully, you then pop the gel into the areas where I'm pointing to, pop the light on, and you are ready to whiten. Now, moving on to the day and night toothpaste kit, it's pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, there are 2 different toothpastes in here, one for the daytime and one for the nighttime as well. On the back of each tube, it also does say what the active ingredient is within the formula and what it's actually supposed to do, which I think is a super interesting concept as well for a toothpaste. Okay guys, so we're going to kickstart this review by actually reading the instructions. I know that sounds super lame, but I always think this is the best thing to do just because it avoids any kind of mistakes or disruption later on. So I've got the instructions here. They come in this super cute little packaging which you find inside the box as soon as you open it. So I'm going to pop that open now, and this is what it looks like inside, so I'm just going to read it out to you. Step 1 is to gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. I've actually already done this off camera, so that's all good in the hood. Secondly, you need to take the battery out of the LED light, remove the plastic and reinsert to turn on. Also another very important thing. Number 3 is simply attached to the mouth tray. There's also pictures on here as well, just to make it even easier for you to like kind of understand. Number 4 is to apply a quarter of the syringe of whitening gel to the top and also the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply this to the face of the mouth tray. So what it means by that is kind of like the bit that would touch your teeth. Let me just show you quickly, just in case if you can't kind of imagine what I'm saying. So this is the mouthpiece. As you can see, if you just apply it here and apply it underneath here, just on the flat bits here, that will actually touch your teeth when you put it in your mouth. Step 4 looks like the most complicated out of all of them, and to be honest, that was pretty simple, so I'm quite glad about that. Step number 5 is to relax and let the whitening process begin. So it's got a picture of somebody with the actual thing in its mouth. So step number 6 is the LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up, which is perfectly fine. Number 7 is rinse the mouth with warm water to get rid of any residue. And number 8 is to just smile, which I think is probably the best set of instructions that I've ever read and probably the most easiest. Also, I have the shade chart here. As you saw in the previous clip, I showed you what my teeth looked like whilst I was trying to compare and pick the shade that I thought I was. I think I'm going to go for either a 3 or a 4 for day 1, only because I know my teeth are quite white and they have got quite a genuine colour, but I do have a lot of discoloration in between my teeth. That's more what I'm going to be focusing on whilst I'm actually trying these products. I've decided I'm going to go with number 4, put this all together, and we're going to jump straight into using these whitening trays. So you guys, it is day 7 of me using the HiSmile teeth whitening kit and also the HiSmile day and night toothpaste kit, and I have to say I'm really happy with the results. I know that my transformation is probably not going to be as dramatic and drastic as other people's, mainly because my teeth were quite white to begin with. I have definitely noticed a difference of the staining and the yellowing that I had in between my teeth. That was mainly what I wanted to use this product for, and I feel like it has helped lift that discoloration and that staining that I had, and I think over a prolonged period of time of using this kit I could definitely completely get rid of that and kind of maintain it so that it doesn't happen again. In regards to the actual gel itself, I was really pleased with the fact that it didn't make my teeth hurt whatsoever. It didn't taste horrible like some of the gels and stuff like that I've used before. If anything, it kind of tasted a little bit fruity and sweet in my opinion. Some people may not agree with me, but that's what I personally thought anyway. It was super easy as well because you didn't have to time yourself. The little LED had an kind of automatic timer, I guess, so you put it on, you just did your business, you go about your day. I was doing things like editing, I was on my phone like Instagramming and things like that. I was doing all of those things whilst just having this thing in there. I completely forgot that it was there at some times, and I only remembered when it did the little beep when it was time to tell you to take out the trays. No mess, no fuss, completely pain-free. Also, in regards to the toothpaste, I definitely recommend that to somebody that has whiter teeth like myself, just because you don't probably need the kit as much as some other people might do. It's more just for helping maintain that whiteness and kind of boosting it as well, so I'd highly recommend that to people that do have kind of whiter teeth. If you are looking at the shade range, however, and you are kind of like a 5 and below, I would highly recommend getting both of these and using them alongside each other, just because I think that you'll get better and more kind of maintained results just through doing that. I'm talking about this like it's a shade chart for foundation. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, that was my review on the HiSmile teeth whitening kit and day and night toothpaste set. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I haven't done one in a while, so I'm really hoping that you can forgive me. I will leave all the links to HiSmile in the description down below for you as well, their Instagram, their website, and links to the 2 things that I've showed you in this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel over here and hit the bell for notifications to be told every time I post a new video. I'll leave other videos over here in case you want to carry on watching. Thank you so much for spending your time with me this week. Make sure you check back again next week for another video. I love you so much, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!